Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong once again. Today we have a Harris Sunliner in a 250, 25 feet, ebony black color with a vivid blue metallic color. We have a saltwater edition. That's a solid keel underneath with anodes on the aft. Stainless steel flip-up cleats, extended swim platform. This is a center walk-through design, powered with a 200 Mercury digital throttle, digital shift. Also performance level 2, so full center length pontoon with a 37-gallon gas tank. Let's get up on top, we'll show you some more features. Okay, we moved up on deck. As you can see, we have a beach tan interior. The Sunliner allows the cross-stitching two-tone fabric, flip-up armrests. Underneath my feet, we have the in-floor storage. This goes back a couple more feet, massive area. This lifts up and is hinged, finished on the bottom side. As I come forward, on the port side we have a change house. Stores nicely underneath the couch. Unique for Harris with their 25 foot is this large door. This is 3 feet across, 36 inches. They did this so you can bring a wheelchair onto the boat if you had somebody that needed to. As I come back, the port side couch also has a trash can stored in here. A lot of things that are overlooked on the boats is trash. You always produce trash. Snap that. As I come over to the helm, we have our high back chair. This is adjustable, front, back, up, down. Our tilt steering wheel. Our JL audio sound system, 6 speakers. You can control the zones, so turn the speakers off on the back of the boat or in the front, depending on where you want to entertain. Interior lighting package. The cup holders, the speakers, and underneath the seats will all glow at night, RGB lighting. Wireless phone charger, detachable windshield, and our SIMRAD. SIMRAD will give us a chart plotting, engine data, fish finder, and you can split the screen up to see all of it at once or any individual component. Over here on the right, we have our shifter. This is brand new for 2023, the Mercury digital throttle, digital shift. It does come with active trim, start stop button, and of course trim up here on the side. This boat is loaded with a lot of great features, lockable glove box, some other things as well. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you.